Well, this morning we're asking officers who've retired in the last 5 years to consider coming back to help us. Obviously the city and the country are facing the most challenging of times. We want to maintain our resilience in the coming weeks, and I know so many officers who've retired who've said they'd like to help. So they can come back either as police officers or as special constables or as volunteers. We want to have people that we know will be reasonably up to date with their skills, will understand modern London, and that we won't have to put an enormous amount of retraining into. However, if there are people who've retired before then who wish to volunteer with us, if they've got specific skills, then of course we're not going to turn them away. There'll be a very fast process. We can get them in a matter of less than a couple of weeks, and we will then bring them in. And they will be working alongside colleagues, supporting London, preventing violent crime and reassuring people as much as we possibly can at this difficult time. I think it's going very well so far. We haven't had any significant incidents where people have been difficult with the officers, and I think people are just adjusting, and I'm very proud of what the officers are doing, because they're doing it I get lots of feedback. They're explaining themselves well. And they are, however, bringing these new regulations to bear.